We are reading lesson 8. This is third C, class third C, and GSC lesson 8. Matter. Solids, liquids and gases. In matter we have to study about the solids, liquids and gases. So last time we have discussed about the matter. I told you about the matter, anything which occupy the space and has mass is called as the matter. And matter exists in three states: solids, liquids and gases. I told you about the solids. Some examples of the solids: a chair, table, mobile, brick, etc. These are the examples of the solids. The solids have constant shape and volume. They have constant shape and the volume. And also studied about the liquids. The liquids, they do not have the constant shape, but volume is constant. They take the shape of the vessels in which they are kept. Suppose water is kept in a vessel which is rounded in shape. So the shape of the water will be rounded. And if same water is kept in a rectangular vessels, the shape of the water will be rectangular. And they can flow. You are familiar to water, water can flow. Milk can flow. Fruit juice can flow. So these are the examples of the liquids. We have studied about these. And about the gases. So we have to study about the gases. Gases have no different shape of their own. They take the shape of the containers in which they are kept. Gases can expand to occupy space. Water vapor, oxygen, carbon dioxide are some examples of gases. You are familiar to about the atmosphere. Our atmosphere contains the air. Air is a mixture of the gases. Oxygen is one of them, which is used by us for respiration. This is very important gas that is necessary for the respiration. The same way, carbon dioxide is also found in the atmosphere. This gas is utilized by green plants for making the food by the process of photosynthesis. The sun heats the water in the sea. The sun heats the water in the sea, lakes, rivers, and ponds to water vapor. Water vapors rises in the air. The water vapor is a gas. You take the water in a bowl and keep the bowl containing water on gas stove. Then what do you see after some time? After some time, you observe water vapors on the surface of the water. These water vapors are the form of the gases. Same action takes place in the nature by the action of the sun. Due to the action of the sun, the water which is found in lakes, rivers, ponds get warmed, and when it gets warmed, it is converted into water vapors. So water vapor is a form of the gas. Now next, gases spread in all directions. Air fills a balloon. It is there in our rooms. Air fills the huge space around us. One room is there. In the room, anywhere you can go, you can find the same type of the gas, same amount of the gases. In an area of the room, you cannot get more or less gas than the other area of the room. The three states of matter are interchangeable. The three states of matter are interchangeable. Three states of matter are interchangeable. This one water is the best example. Water is the best example, and you can take the example of the water. This is the this is water in a glass. This water may be converted into ice. This is converted into the ice into ice cubes and we converted into ice cube by cooling. By cooling, it is given. If you reduce the temperature, you can write here. This is on cooling. Water is there. You take the water and keep in the fridge. Take water in a glass and keep the glass containing water in a fridge, in the freezing zone of the refrigerator. Then what you find? You will find that water became converted into the ice. Ice is a solid state of the matter. So this is solid, this is solid, and this is liquid. In the same way, you can convert it into the gases on heating. Take the water in a container and keep on and keep burner here and this burner produces the heat and it contains the water. It contains the water. After some time, you will find the water vapors coming out from the vessels. So this is the on heating. What happens on heating? What happens? Water is converted into the water vapors, that is the gas stage. So it is converted into the water vapors, and if water vapors are cooled on cooling, it is converted into the liquid or the water. And here what happens there? On heating, this solid is converted into the liquid. So in this way, one state of matter is changed into another state of matter by the action of the heat, by reducing or increasing the temperature. The three states of matter are interchangeable. The three states of matter solid, liquid and gas are interchangeable. Ice is a solid form of water. It melts and changes into water, that liquid on heating. Further, heating changes the water into steam. So in this way, one state of the matter may be changed into another state of the matter. Thank you. That's for today.